Okay, so now today we are going to start the meiosis. So meiosis is the type of cell division. So let me explain you little about meiosis over here, and then we will continue with the notes. See, meiosis is the type of cell division. Okay, meiosis is the type of cell division takes place in germ cell, beta, germ cell. Germ.
So only in germ cell?
Yes, sir. It takes place only in germ cell. So germ cell we had two types. First one, okay, this is a symbol for male germ cell. Male.
So meiosis takes place in prokaryotes, right?
Eukaryotes also.
Only in germ.
Eukaryotes.
Okay.
Yeah. I'll explain you, don't worry. See, germ cell means we have two types of germ cell. For male, it is male germ cell, okay, and for female, it is female germ cell. Female germ cell, okay. So see here, in case of, I'm just taking example of human being, beta, okay, human being. So human being, in order to reproduce sexually, okay, we require both the germ cell for male as well as from female. So in human being, we have male germ cell, and this is a symbol, and here we have female germ cell. Okay, so I'm writing here male germ cell and here female germ cell. Okay, see, in case of male, the chromosomes combination, we already gone through that. Okay, so total chromosome we have 46. Total number of chromosomes we have it up 46. Okay, and chromosomes always present in pair, so number of pair will be 23 pair. We have 23 pair. Out of 23 pair, 22 pair of chromosomes are called as beta autosomes. Pair are called as autosomes.
Autosomes means like they can prepare food by themselves.
Autosomes means they are responsible for secondary characters like color of the hair, color of
Like
skin,
the height, the
height. Yes. Right. Okay, and the last pair of chromosome is called as beta one pair. Last pair, pair of chromosome.
The gender, right?
Yes. Hence, it is called as sex chromosome. Okay, so in case of male, the last pair of chromosome is heterozygous. Heterozygous means they have different shape. Okay, like we have pair means two chromosome. So one is represents by X, so it is the large one. So large X and small y. Large X and small y along with this 22 pair. Okay, so the shape for male germ cell is 22 plus xy. 22 plus xy. Now we are going to understand in case of female. So again, in case of female, we had total 46 chromosomes. Again, chromosomes are present in pair, so we had 23 pair. And out of 23, we have autosomes, and last one pair, okay, is called as sex chromosome. And for female, it is like homozygous. Beta. Homo means similar, means they both the chromosome which have same size, same length, okay, same structure are called as homozygous chromosome.
So they are both X, right?
Yes, both are X. Okay, so both are large X, we can say. So again here we had 22 plus XX. So this is the combination of chromosomal combination for female germ cell. Understood that one, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what happens? So I'm just making you understand the process. Why meiosis is important here? We had to understand that. Okay. Now suppose I am just taking in case of male. Okay. So this one chromosome is from female, the female parent. and that Y chromosome is from male parent, right?
Yes.
Okay. See, when these two chromosomes are going to form the new generation, okay, new generation. Suppose this is the first generation, okay, and that chromosome, or just do consider second generation, okay. So, and this male and female are going to form from the first generation. Is it means in order to form that male gamete here, two parents are required, X and Y, means for male parent and female parent. Then it is sexual reproduction, because whatever like the reproduction takes place in human being, it is sexual only, right? So two parent cells are required, one is male cell, another is female cell. So see here that X chromosome is from female parent, then Y chromosome is from female parent. So when that generation, that second generation going to form third generation, okay. So see here, few character of X and few character of Y are going to intermix, okay. Means few chromosomes set of chromosome are going to mix over here, and few are going to mix Y to X, like this. So suppose I am just writing one, I'm just drawing one chromosome here in a red color, okay, like this. And Y chromosome I am drawing like this, green, blue color. Okay, this is the size of chromosome, structure of chromosome, you can say like this. So one is red, another is blue. When they are going to produce new generation, their material, genetic material, is going to intermix. That process is called as crossing over. So here crossing over takes place, beta, crossing over. Crossing over. So what is crossing over? Crossing over means mixing of genetic material from both the chromosome. So suppose I'm writing example here. Okay, I'm just going to show you diagram. So by a diagram you will understand clearly instead of drawing. Wait.
Crossing over means like they mix, right? Sir?
Yes, mixing of genetic material. See here. This is the, see here we have one blue and other is red. Okay. In second stage, see, they are going to like become more straight. Okay. And see here that intermixing. See, suppose here we have blue and here that
Yes, sir.
red one. Yes, yes. See here that genetic material is mixing over here. This is called a bit of crossing over. Okay, this is the fourth stage. Okay, so see here in this chromosome, few chromosome is from red and few like character is from blue. Means now this chromosome have both character from both X as well as Y. Okay, so this mixing of genetic material is called as crossing over. Okay, see here in this chromosome, as you can see here. Okay, here we have both the characters. Like suppose that blue is from male, so red is from female, like this. Means that particular single chromosome contain character from both the parent. So before going to reproduce, okay, next generation, this crossing over takes place within the cell, and this cell, like crossing over, completes in 5 stages. Okay, 5 stages. I think we have already gone through. So let me explain you in short again. Wait, huh? Okay. I'm just moving the screen. Okay, over here. Okay, so mixing of genetic material takes place here. This is called as crossing over. Okay, this is called as crossing over here. Means the cell contain the last 2 chromosome, means one pair of chromosome. Here we have one X and other is Y. So here the genetic material is going to exchange between both. Okay, and then it undergoes four stages again, like prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. But in prophase, okay, so this crossing over takes place in prophase only. Prophase means first stage. Okay, and we have 5 stages in prophase. So one is called, I have told you about the trick in order to remember all the 5 stages. So you have to remember lazy people dies twice. Okay, see, in lazy we had two component, our two component. One is L. So L is for beta leptotin. Yes, leptotin. In Z we have zygote. P stand for pectin. P is for pectin. Most of the people, they used to pronounce pectin also because due to spelling.
Sir, can you again pronounce them also?
Pectin.
No, sir, all of them, sir.
Oh, lazy people dies twice. Okay, then see, dies twice means here D is going to use 2 times. So first D stand for diplotin. Okay, and next is stand for dikinesis. Stand for dikinesis. Dikinesis. Okay, so we have leptotin, zygotin, pectin, diplotin, and dikinesis. So all these are the 5 stages where mixing of genetic material takes place between 2 chromosomes. Okay, the last pair of chromosomes. Then they undergoes next stage, means metaphase, then anaphase, and last but not the least, which is telophase. Okay, everyone. Do reply.
Yes, sir.
Sir, only once. Sir, once can you repeat that Professor May?
Okay, don't worry. I'm going to explain again. See, meiosis.
Sir, it's prophase, metaphase, and
Yes. So meiosis completes in 2 stages. One is called karyokinesis. Or instead of karyokinesis, let me explain only main stages. So meiosis completes in 2 parts. One is called Meiosis I, and second is Meiosis II.
Sir, after intermixing of chromosomes, only a cell will divide.
Yes, right. Okay, so it completes in 2 stages, Meiosis I and Meiosis II. In Meiosis I, we have again 2 steps. One is called karyokinesis.
cytokinesis.
Yes.
Nuclear division and cell division.
Yes. Cytoplasmic division, not cell division. Cell division is meiosis. Cytoplasmic division is cytokinesis. Okay, that karyokinesis completes in again 4 stages. Okay, 4 stages. That karyokinesis completes in 4 stages. So one is called prophase. Second one is, this is the first one. Second one is metaphase. Third one is anaphase. Then we have telophase. But all these stages are meiosis from meiosis I, so they are called as prophase I, metaphase I, anaphase I, and telophase I. Here that prophase completes in 5 stages. We just discussed. One is called leptotin, then we have zygotin, we have pectin, we have diplotin, and last dikinesis. Okay, So prophase 1 undergoes these 5 stages, and here crossing over takes place. Crossing over takes place. Okay.
So
And
like,
then,
can you again like write the spelling for LZ?
yes. In notes, I will share the notes after the class. There you will find everything better. Don't worry. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So what did she ask?
That spellings of leptotene, zygotine, pectine, diplotin, and dikinesis. I will provide you the notes after the class, and we will going to understand from the notes also. Don't worry. Okay. Okay. Then cytokinesis takes place. Then cytokinesis takes place, means cytoplasmic division. So after telophase, we have one cell where we have two nucleus, and it is going to divide to form two individual cells. Okay, these two individual cell again undergoes meiosis 2. Okay, see in meiosis 1, see here we have the cell which is going to participate in meiosis type of cell division. They contain 2n set of chromosomata. 2n means double the number of chromosomes. Okay, but after meiosis 1, and we already gone through about meiosis in
So
detail.
after meiosis 1 will get 2 and then we'll get 4.
Yes. So in both the cell, the number of chromosome will be half than that of parent cell. So here we have half the number of chromosome. Half the number of chromosome means n number of chromosome. N. So from meiosis 1, we are getting two cell having half the number of chromosome.
So it should be 4, right? 2, 1.
No. Wait. Now these two cells, see, here we have 2n set of chromosome in parent cell, so they are called as diploid cell, beta, diploid. Okay, diploid cell. Okay, it is C, huh? Okay, and these cell are called as, see, they have half the number of chromosome, so they are called as a haploid cell.
So
Haploid.
like shouldn't there be 4 cells because one cell divided into 2?
Wait. Okay, see, after meiosis 1, we are having two haploid cell here, right? These two haploid cell are going to undergoes meiosis 2. Okay, so this cell undergoing meiosis 2. Wait a second, let me draw. Okay, see, this meiosis 2 will take place here. Okay, and these two haploid cell going to form. Okay, again the process will be the same. Again, like prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. But again, it is called as meta. Wait, let me write the process. See, meiosis 2, these two haploid cell. Okay, here we have two haploid cell having n number of chromosomes. So let me write n only here, and here again n. So they are undergoing 4 stages. So it is called as prophase. Okay. So again here we have two steps. One is called karyokinesis and cytokinesis. So in karyokinesis we have prophase 2. See, here we had prophase 1, here we have prophase 2. Second we have metaphase 2. Metaphase 2. Here we have anaphase. A. Anaphase 2. Then we have telophase. Telophase 2. And very interesting thing is that these prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2, and telophase 2 are as similar as mitosis. Just do remember. Okay, so I have shared you the notes. It is all about mitosis. So instead of wherever like you will find mitosis, just do write meiosis 2. Otherwise, all things are same. Okay, so that's why I have written here as similar as mitosis. Okay, now it is going to undergo cytoplasmic division. So after cytoplasmic division, we will get two haploid cell from one haploid cell. Okay, so see here, from meiosis, okay, 1, we are getting 2 haploid cell, and these 2 haploid cell undergoes meiosis 2 type of cell division to form 4 haploid cells. So now here we have 4 haploid cell, 4 haploid cell. So this is complete process of meiosis beta. Understood everyone? Everyone? Okay. So now we are going to understand meiosis from the notes. Okay. So see, meiosis is completed through the 2 stages. Those 2 stages are meiosis I and meiosis II. In meiosis I, recombination or crossing over. See, it is also called as recombination. We are having particular combination of the chromosome, but recombination is going to take place. Recombination means mixing of genetic material, which is also called as crossing over. Which is also called as crossing over occurs between homologous chromosome. Homologous chromosome are those chromosomes they have equal length, okay, size, shape, okay, are called as homologous chromosome. Very important this definition. Huh? What are homologous chromosome? Those chromosomes they have equal length, equal size, and equal shape are called as homologous chromosome. And thereafter, those homologous chromosome, okay, not sister chromatid. See, means they are not similar. Okay, they are not having same genetic material, hence it is mentioned not sister chromatid. Okay, are divided into 2 groups, and thus 2 haploid cells are formed in meiosis I. That I explained you already in that flow chart.
Sir,
Okay,
can you like explain the second line, like and thereafter those homologous chromosomes, not just a chromate.
yeah, so their homologous chromosome means they are having equal, like same shape, same size, and equal length or same length. Okay, but their genetic material is not same, because in that last set of chromosome, in case of male or in case of female, one chromosome is from the male parent and other is from female parent. Here also one is from male parent and other is from female parent. Is it? So they are having different genetic material, hence they are not sister chromatids. Okay, means they are not formed from the single chromosome. That's why it is mentioned here not sister chromatid, because they have different genetic material, only they have equal length, same size and same shape. Why they have to convert into homologous chromosome? In order to mixing the genetic material. That's why their size, length and shape becomes similar or equal. Okay,
Okay, sir, but the genetic material is not.
is different because one chromosome is from male parent and other is from the female parent.
Yes, understood.
Yeah. Okay. So see here, meiosis I we have here that prophase 1 have 5 stages that we already discussed. Okay. What are these? What are these? See, always remember lazy people dies twice. So L is
Yes,
for
sir.
leptotene, Z is for zygotine, P is for pectin, and 2 time D. Dies twice. So D twice. Diplotin and dikinesis.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. So all these 5 stages are from the prophase 1. Then it undergoes metaphase, anaphase, and telophase as similar as mitosis. Okay. Then second stage. Second stage means meiosis II. Meiosis II is just like mitosis. In this stage, the 2 haploid daughter cells are formed in meiosis I, undergoes cell division. Okay, by the separation of recombinant sister chromatid, and 4 haploid daughter cells are formed. Okay, so in meiosis, okay, in meiosis I, 2n set of chromosome is going to divide into two parts. Okay, so two haploid cells are formed. So this is meiosis I, and these again going to divide to form two haploid cell each. So now we have n set of chromosome, here also n, here also n, and here also n. So this is meiosis II. Okay, so now we had total 4 haploid cell. Haploid means having half the number of chromosome. Half means, see, parent cell had 2n. So half of 2n means, half of 2n means n only, right? So see, all this daughter cell have n set of chromosome. Okay, n set means half then the parent cell. Okay, so process of, see, all these are called as beta then gametes, and these gametes participates in zygote formation. Okay, so process of gamete production and spore formation occurs by the meiosis only. Okay, the formation of gametes in case of animals and formation of spore even in case of plant also. Okay, like male gamete is that male, we called it what, pollen grains. They are going to divide meiotically to form haploid cell. Okay, so in this cell type of cell division, 4 haploid daughter cells are formed. Okay, so here we have 4 haploid daughter cells. Okay, from 1 to n. 2n means diploid cell. During this cell division, crossing over takes place between two homologous chromosomes in meiosis I, and thereby genetic recombination occur. Genetic recombination means if next generation is going to form by this haploid cell, so they will contain parent, both the parent genetic material in them. Means they will have genetic material from male parent as well as genetic material from female parent, and these chromosomes are going to transfer to the next generation. Okay, due to this, all the 4 daughter cell are genetically different from parent cell and form each other too. Okay, so they are formed, see, in meiosis, like the germ cell, we are having XY or XX, and these both the chromosomes are from, one is from female and one is from male, means their parent. And when they are going to form the gametes over here, so each cell will contain different type of, or we can say, genetic material, because they are formed from 2 different chromosomes. Okay, so how much like characters are going to mix, how much triplet codons are going to contribute in each chromosome, it is not being fixed, which is natural process. That's why these 4 haploid cell are different from each other as well as different from parent cell. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So this is all about the meiosis.
Yes.
Okay, yeah. So see here in prophase 2, okay, so prophase 2 is as similar as the mitosis. So here we have prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2, and telophase 2. So now here these 2 cells are going to form 2 more haploid cells. So now result we have 4 haploid cells from the meiosis. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So if you want to take a screenshot, you can take a screenshot now.